Because you are responsible, sir.
Just a second, something just popped up.
Uh-oh. I think
Okay.
instead of him hitting, he got it for the live he hit and it put him out to me. So hopefully he'll be back in a few.
All righty.
Okay, Your Honor, I'm going to move on to someone else and I'll be back.
All righty.
And Judge, we are ready on Attorney Newman's case.
Okay, hold on. Mr. Montgomery is back.
Okay, I'll wait.
All right, Mr. Montgomery, we have you back. All right, do we have audio? Mr. Montgomery, can you hear me?
Yeah, yes, I can hear you. Can you hear me?
Okay, yeah, we got you back.
Okay.
All right, Mr. Montgomery, the court was stating at the time we lost you that the court will find you responsible for driving 1 to 5 over in a limited access zone, which is a 0-point ticket, as opposed to the 3-point ticket you were originally charged with. So the no insurance misdemeanor is dismissed because it's my understanding that you have provided documents. You are now current and compliant with the law on that matter. So that matter is dismissed. Your other charge that you just pled responsible to, sir, your fine is $125. Unfortunately, I cannot, you've heard me say I will give people time to pay. That does not apply for civil infractions. That only applies to the criminal matters. So your fine is $125 that must be paid within 14 days, sir.
And Your Honor, he can come down to the court and have that a bond applied for
Absolutely.
that to cover that 125.
Bring your ID and your bond receipt, sir, and you let them know that that is your money and you can do what you want with it. You want to apply it to your case.
Okay. Can I just a question, because I think it was over that as far as what I bonded. Would I be able to get the difference, or do they just apply?
Oh, no. So anything over the 125 is your money, sir. That comes back to you.
Okay.
But it might not come back immediately. It might come back in check form, just so that you are aware. You may not walk out of there with your $40 or whatever the balance is.
They don't have cash to give you there, sir.
Right. Okay.
All right. But it's your money and it'll come back to you. Anything over the 125. Unless there's something, unless there's something else out there, sir, some other civil infraction that we did not address that I don't know about. So, but I don't think there is.
No.
All right.
Yep.
All right. Good luck to you, Mr. Montgomery.
Mr. Montgomery, make sure that they have your current address if it has changed. Okay.
Okay. All right. Thank you.
All right.
All right. What do we have next?
Our case is ready, Your Honor. First, Shakina McBride.
All right. All right, Miss McBride.
I'll be waiving her appearance.
Okay, it is a civil infraction, so you certainly can do that. All right. Counsel, this is case number SP 1512841, the People versus Shakina, SHEKINAH, McBride, MCBRIDE. Ms. McBride is charged with a civil infraction of driving 26 to 30 miles per hour over the posted speed limit. Ms. McBride also has SP 1512842. And that is a civil infraction for improper equipment. Today is the date and time for a formal hearing. How are we going to proceed?
Good morning, Sydney Rogers for the People, P82072. The people are ready for the formal hearing today. Sergeant Carson is checked in, but we are stipulating to an adjournment request made by defense, I believe, to allow the defendant to take a driving course that will affect the plea.
Very well. And you've already explained to him what type of course is necessary, correct?
Yes. Yep. We talked about that.
All right. All right. Madam Clerk, did we get a new date for that? Did you know that this was occurring? So you have a date all set?
I did not, but if he's taking the driving course, probably at least 30 days
At
out.
least 30 days, yeah. All right. All right. How about that, Attorney Newman? 30 days out from today's date.
That works, Your Honor.
All right. That would be January the 4th.
January 4th. Okay.
January the 4th at 9 a.m., sir. You come out back and he can present his, or you can present in his stead the certificate of completion, successful completion, and whatever Madam City Assistant Corporation Counsel told you, we'll go forward with that on that date.
Okay. Perfect. Thank you so much, Your Honor.
All right.
Thank you, Judge.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
We'll
Thank
see
you,
on
Sydney.
January
Thank you,
the
Madam
4th.
Clerk. Thank you. Have a good one.
You also.
Have a good
Thanks. Bye-bye.
Hey, Judge Wagner, this is Sergeant Carson. Just wanted to say happy holiday to you, man. That was my case too.
All right, Sergeant Carson. It's always good to hear your voice, sir. Stay safe.
Yeah, you too, man.
Wait, Sergeant Carson, I've known you for a long, long time now. So how long are you gonna stick around?
Man, that is the big question lately. It's 29 years at this point. I kind of
right.
drew a line in the sand. I'm gonna try and finish off 2 more.
All right. All
Yeah,
right.
I'm not working for me no more. I'm working for these dang kids. Yeah,
Was it ever any different?
right, right.
All right, Sergeant Carson. Stay safe.
Okay, thank you. You too.
Were we ready on Matthews, counsel?
That's what I was just going to ask.
Or are you still waiting to talk to Attorney Rogers?
I haven't spoken to Attorney Rogers. I think she's probably in with Officer Robinson right now. It looks like maybe.
Okay.
You're absolutely correct. He is in. Nope, she's talking to the attorney. So, an attorney. So. Mr. McPherson.
Yes.
Has an attorney talked to you yet?
Yes.
Okay. All right. She comes back out, we'll deal with your case.
Okay.
Your Honor.
Yes, counsel.
So for Mr. Matthews, we're going to get him another court date so that his documentation can be with him. And
That
Mr. Barry
Mr.
Matthews.
Okay, wait a minute. Oh, Mr. Barry Matthews, that's the gentleman that was here yesterday and stole the return. Okay. Madam Clerk.
Yes.
Since that case is recalled from yesterday, I don't have him on my docket. Well, then I don't have yesterday's docket. Well, maybe I do. Actually, I don't have yesterday's docket, so you'll have to call that case.
All right, are you ready for me to call it now?
I believe so. Attorney Gaten Robinson has indicated we're gonna get you said to get a new date, Attorney Gaten Robinson?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay. Yes, we're ready, Madam Clerk. Extraordinaire.
Ticket number SP 143699901. No proof of insurance for Barry Matthews. It was scheduled yesterday for an arraignment on a bench warrant.
All right.
Attorney
I'm
Phyllis
sorry, go
Gaten
ahead.
Robinson.
Okay. All right. Attorney Gaten Robinson. Well, good morning, Mr. Barry Matthews. Is that BERRYMATTHEWS?
Correct.
All right. All right. Mr. Matthews. Counsel, you can just go from there.
Your Honor, Mr. Matthews has to provide documentation of the insurance of this motor vehicle. He does not physically have it with him. We were trying to give the person who has it the opportunity to email it over to me. They have not had a chance to send it to me as of yet. We're just asking that Mr. Matthews be given a date, a short period of time where he can just come back with the insurance himself.
Mr. Barry? I mean, I apologize, Mr. Matthews?
Yes. Can you hear me?
I can hear you now. Yes, sir.
Okay.
Mr. Matthews, it's just a matter of one day for you to get that document because it exists right now, correct, sir?
Correct.
All right. Madam Clerk, you want to let him come back tomorrow again and bring his documents?
Sir, that is fine with me. Just so you know, I will not be here tomorrow, but I will put the necessary notes in the system to let them know what he's supposed to be returning for.
Okay, no, let's just give him, let's see, when are you coming back? You coming back Thursday?
I'll be here Thursday.
All right, we'll do it Thursday. Since I won't be in the building and I don't have a copy of anything. So we'll have him come back on Thursday. Ms. Matthews, what time, Madam Clerk?
8:30 is fine.
You got that, Mr. Matthews?
Yes, Thursday, 8:30.
All right. Madam Clerk, can we just send him the link to the court and he can email it to the court the night before or the morning of before he comes out to court so we'll have it?
Sure.
Mr. Matthews, we're going to send you a link with an email address on it. And I want you to email that to us tomorrow night or Thursday morning before you come out. And so when you come out here, you just let us know it's out here for us. We'll take a look at it. If it is valid, then we'll call your case right away and you'll be out of here.
So would the email be the same email or is it be different?
No, that was my personal email that I gave you. So you need to look for the link that she's sending you.
I sent it.
Do you see another chat, Mr. Matthews? Do you see it, Mr. Matthews? She sent you a chat. At the bottom of your screen, you should see something that says chat. Just click on that.
Went back into the breakout room.
What's that?
He went back into the breakout room.
He went back. Oh, he clicked the wrong thing. Clicked on breakout room.
You want me to go get him, Your Honor?
I brought him back out.
He's back. Mr. Matthews, do you see something on the bottom of your screen that says chat, C-H-A-T? Unmute your microphone, Mr. Matthews.
Yes, I got it. Yep, I got it.
All right, take a screenshot of it or something so you don't write anything wrong.
Okay, I just did.
All right. So you send that to that, you email that to us either Wednesday night or Thursday morning as you come out here or before you come out here. And when you're here, we'll have you ready and we'll just take care of that right away.
Okay, thank you. Thursday.
All right. Good luck to you, sir.
All right,
We'll see you on Thursday.
Okay, bye.
Attorney Gaten Robinson.
Your Honor, we are ready for Mr. McPherson. Mr. McPherson needs to take a driver's improvement course for better consideration from the prosecutor's office.
All right. Mr. McPherson?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, let me call your case, sir. All right. Mr. McPherson, raise your right hand, state your full name, please.
Lamont Curtis McPherson Jr.
Do you swear or affirm to tell the complete truth?
Yes.
You may lower your hand. Mr. McPherson, you have ticket number SP 131-65801. The People versus Lamond, Lamund. McPherson is last name, McPherson. Mr. McPherson, you are, today is an arraignment on a bench warrant. Again, that means you have missed a date and a warrant was issued for your arrest. So you are here today, so the bench warrant is set aside. You are charged with one count. It is a misdemeanor for driving with a suspended license.
Your Honor, he also has 2 civil infractions that were taken into consideration. One is for no insurance. One is for 16 to 20 miles over. That is why he needs to take the driver's improvement course.
All right, Mr. McPherson, we're going to give you a 30 days to take that course. Once you take that course and you get a certificate of successful completion, I want you to, before you come back, we're going to give you a date of 30 days. That's going to be January the 4th of 2024 at 9 a.m. I want you, before you come back, the night before you come back, I want you to, Madam Clerk, could you forward him that email address as well?
To Mr. McPherson?
Yes. He's taking a driver improvement course. I want him to email the certificate of completion to the court the night before or the morning of, before you come out here. When you come back on January the 4th, I want to be able to go into my emails and see that I have a certificate of completion out there. And that way we don't have to spend a lot of time trying to figure out what we have. I'll have it right here with me if you send it to me the night before or early morning before you come out here. Or it could be 5 minutes before you come out here. I don't care, just as long as I get it either the night before or that morning. All right?
Yes, that's right.
Do you see your email address? The email address you're going to send it to? All right.
Yes.
So I always recommend people take a screenshot of it with their device, their camera or something, so they don't transpose something or leave off a @ sign or something. So
I just see it, Your Honor.
all right. All right, sir. We'll see you back on January the 4th at 9 a.m. And I want to see that information at first thing in the morning when I get here. So, all right.
Thank you.
All right. Good luck to you, sir. We'll see you then.
All right. Have a great day.
You too.
Could we send an invite to Lamanda Matthews to join the main session? We're ready on that matter.
Okay. Is she in the breakout room still?
I'm sending the invite for her to come up.
Yeah, I did it as well. So she's out now. All right, Miss Matthews, turn your camera on. All right. All right, we're ready to go here. Good morning, Miss Matthews. How are you today?
Good morning. I'm well. How about yourself?
I'm well, ma'am. Please raise your right hand and state your full name.
Lamanda Matthews.
Miss Matthews, do you swear or affirm to tell the complete truth?
Yes, sir.
You may lower your hand. Counsel, your appearance, please.
Good morning, Sydney Rogers for the people, P82072.
Good morning, Judge Joseph Pernicano for Ms. Matthews, P84918.
Good morning to both of you. All right. How are we going to proceed today, counsel?
Judge, the people are asking for an adjournment on this matter as Officer Robinson is checked in and has provided me his report and all the discovery related to this material. But it has come to my attention that there are civilian victims that need to be subpoenaed on this matter. I just got their phone numbers this morning. It was a discrepancy with the police reports. And looking at the ROA, this matter was set for trial on September 14th, 2023, and was adjourned due to the defendant having a medical emergency. The last adjournment was due to defense. This is the people's first adjournment, and we're asking for a brief adjournment to get the civilians here based on the nature of these charges. We ask for a date, most likely 30 days out or whatever is available for defense.
Your Honor, I would respectfully object to the adjournment and request a dismissal. My client has appeared today. It's been well over 30 days from September 14th, over 60 days, I think, for the people to produce the complainant in this matter, who is the individual who allegedly observed the alleged conduct.
Counsel, did you have an adjournment?
I did, Your Honor, yes, and
That would only be
I
fair.
leave it to the court's discretion.
Because it would only be fair. If you had an adjournment, she can ask for an adjournment as well, counsel. It doesn't
Absolutely,
go one
Judge.
way. Justice goes both ways. All right. So 30 days or so? Is that enough time?
Well, maybe a little over, because that'll be like the week of Christmas.
Oh, yeah, well, that's not an adjournment for you. That's adjournment for all of us. So
Yeah, Anna.
I'm not going to come. I'm not going to be here on Christmas. All right. Madam Clerk.
Yes.
What are we looking at for an adjournment?
I don't know how soon are we trying to do it. Are we doing 30 days out?
Well, 30 days is going to run into Christmas. So
if we could do January, Madam Clerk.
30 days will take us after Christmas.
30 days, that would be January the 4th. That's after Christmas, but that's going to be right after New Year. That's going to be the first day back?
No.
After New Year, let's see. So see the calendar. The second. Still, I think we're going to have to get ourselves in order. So probably the end of that week or the next week.
You said what, Judge?
I don't want to come, if New Year's, if that's 2 days after New Year's, I think we're going to have a lot of things that we're going to be straightening out. So probably at least a week or so after that, a week or two at the most.
Whatever date everybody else It's fine, I'll just put on the calendar.
Let's see, if I look at a calendar of 2024, January 2024,
Would the court be all right with January 10th?
the court, that's good with, if that's good for your calendar, counsel, that, Madam, Assistant Court Counsel?
I am available that day. Officer Robinson, will you be available January 10th at, I believe, 9 a.m.?
Yes, that does work for me. Thank you.
All right, January 10th. And that will be at 9 a.m. January
you,
10th,
Judge.
2024. Wow.
Have a good holiday, everyone.
All
right. Thank you, counsel. Thank you, Judge.
Everybody have a good day.
Miss Matthews, did you get that? I know you'll be talking with counsel in the interim, but I just want to make sure you heard it from the court, January the 10th at 9 a.m.
Yes, sir.
We'll see you then. You're free to go, Miss Matthews.
I'll call you this afternoon, Miss Matthews.
Okay, thank you.
I'm gonna help her out.
All right. I'm going to run to the courtroom. See you guys. Have one.
You as well.
Is that it? No, we got somebody else.
No, we
got-
don't. Don't
Who?
no.
Wait, hold on, madam. Where has Miss McPhail? Wasn't she out here earlier?
No, she wasn't. I'm talking to her now. I told her she has to come back Thursday because we done.
Oh, okay. All right. I'm just saying, I thought she might have been out here earlier. All right. All right, Ms. Gaten Robinson.
All right, you all have a wonderful day. Have a
You as
great
well.
one, Miss Bonnie.
You too. Thank you.
Have a great one, Madam Recorder.
Madam Reporter.
You too,
Now,
everybody.
you chopped all your hair off.
Yeah, I did.
I haven't seen it. I like it.
Thank you. Thank
Yeah,
you. I
it looks
decided why
good
did
on
want
you.
a hair that didn't want to be with me, right?
Yeah.
Started thinning and all of that. I'm just like, just get rid of all of it.
Well, that's because you can rock it. Everybody can't rock short hair.
Oh, thank you, Judge.
For instance, everybody cannot rock short hair.
I have questions. What day did we get Mr. Berry to come back? Tomorrow, right? No, Thursday.
Yes, that's the one
Thursday.
that's just bringing your paperwork. Yes.
And then McPherson, we gave him what?
I don't know, but if you, when we get off, I will look it up and let you know. I'll call you back.
Mr. McPherson.
Okay,
was
yeah,
the
I
one-
didn't write it down.
No, that was the other person. That was Matthews. Okay. Matthews was January the 10th, right?
Yes.
Yeah. Kim, if you can let me know that one, that's the only one I need.
Okay, I'll get off now and look it up for you.
Wait,
Everybody have a great day.
You too.
Have a great one.
Okay, you too. Bye-bye.